everybody, my name's Josie and I'm with Spellbinders. I am the Creative Product Development Manager and I'm going to show you how to use our Glimmer Heat Foil System today. So we already have a plate on the foil platform and it's heating up. So here's the 3 lights on the platform. So when you first turn on the platform, all 3 lights are going to come on, and then the only one that's going to stay on is the red one. Once the platform is hot enough, the ready platform light will go steady and that will be on, and then you're going to push this button here and it's going to flash, and then once this goes solid like it is now, then you know that your plate is ready to put the foil on. So what I like to do, I have small hands, and when I pull this out, sometimes the die will move a little bit. So I just go ahead and pull this out, like so. And then I place it on the platform on the machine, and then if I need to adjust my plate, I can. Now this is hot, you can touch it, you're not going to burn yourself, you just don't want to leave your hands on there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I went ahead and I already cut my foil to size, but I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to go ahead and trim the corners off, and the reason I'm trimming the corners off is because that's where it tends to overfoil. So now I'm going to go ahead and place the foil on top of the die, and I like to use a piece of washi tape to hold my paper in place. And this is smooth cardstock, and 80-pound smooth cardstock works great with the machine. Then I'm going to go ahead and put tape here, and I like to use this kind of as my register. I'm going to go ahead and place this here at the end, and then I am going to get the shim. And if you foil on here, it doesn't hurt anything. If you want to take it off, you can get it off. There's that. And then this is the Glimmer spacer plate. So just so you know, all the plates that go with the Glimmer machine will say Glimmer, and the ones that go with the die cutting machine say Spellbinders. So you don't want to use your cutting plates with this and vice versa. So now we are going to go ahead and run this through, and you're going to run it through slower than you would when you're die cutting, because you want that foil to transfer onto the paper. And then I'm going to go ahead and foil back towards me. And then I'm going to go ahead and place this back in the dock. Now if I'm going to continue using the platform, I'm going to go ahead and push it back in, so that way it stays warm. Take these off. Let me pull this up, and then you guys can see the reveal. There's that. So, and these bright dark colors work beautiful on the darker cardstock. So there's that.